皆さん、こんにちは。私はバレラピラールです。Hi everybody, my name is Pilar Barrera and I am a space preceptor. I have been teaching languages for more than 20 years and the Japanese language has always been a constant passion that I've had since 2007. So the idea in this course is that we share the love for this beautiful language and culture and we do it in a dynamic way. We're going to be using a textbook, which is Japanese for Young People 1, the student book. I think it's a very practical book. It's full of images. It's very easy to follow. It's fun. It introduces everyday language that we're going to put into practice immediately. We're also going to take the grammar, take it apart, analyze it, and use it. Use it among each other and using to discuss as we progress different topics. We're also going to use real life material. We're going to see kanji from the very beginning, but the idea is that we're going to start learning the two basic syllabaries slowly with a lot of practice. And these are hiragana and katakana. And of course, we're also going to see many different cultural aspects, such as festivals, different foods, traditions, and many other things. So I hope you come join me in the series, and I hope to see you all very soon. ありがとうございました。皆さん。さようなら。